No. So, back with the bees. And, that's right. So far, pretty good. And we're going to be putting back some of the frames that we took last time. On now. So, looks like nothing going on in the deep, really. Yeah. I don't see nothing, and I don't think that's worth, taking that whole thing apart for. So, yeah, looks like those frames which we took are still quite empty.
They put weird foam in here, in between.
Not too much of a worry for me, at least. We're doing these frames.
We're working on it. More bees in there.
Yes. More comb on these.
Good.
These have no comb.
Okay.
Take them.
You want me to put another frame in, or not yet?
Put a frame in. These also, this other frame seems to be empty too.
So it's empty. There's a less built frame we'll put in between. And you need a bit more fuel?
Yeah, possibly. Okay, so what we're looking at over here is a little bit of odd comb across the leaves. That's good. Always good. Do that stuff. And, ooh, this is actually some interesting comb over here. These leaflets, so this is kind of what they naturally build. And we don't really kind of want this kind of stuff. We don't really like it, if you would please to say so. So my advice would be taking it away. I think that we should probably scrape this off over here.
Yeah, that's some weird stuff.
Yeah, that's some really weird stuff, and we're gonna give it back to the bees. They'll eat it. Yep.
Now we got it still. Okay, let's put in a different frame. Put in a honey frame. No, keep that one out. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay. Continue. These are starting to grow together because of the frame being busted.
Well, yeah, they kind of glue together even more from what I can see. If they hold them together, they appear to be holding together.
We have capped brood over here.
Yeah, and we have some eggs. A few eggs in the bottom there. Some eggs. And more eggs. And some bees coming out. It's pretty good. Seems like things are going just as planned or something.
Let's checkerboard this. box.
Let's take this one.
Oops.
My bad. We still have these frames that we kind of want. Yeah, this one we have put too many frames on this one.
Put this frame back in.
See what we have. No, leave it, please. For now. Okay, looks like more honey. That is okay. Some more eggs.
More honey here too.
Do you think that's
drone
there are drones at the top, but this one is, in general, practically completely honey. Should we take it? I think not. I don't think so.
Because we still are going to need honey.
Yeah, they need honey. This one, nah, I'm not touching this.
Okay. Let's pull this frame out and put the.
Let's put this one back in. That's number one. You don't need to throw them off; they'll come off by themselves. Well, they'll come out by themselves.
Okay. So put this one in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Less disastrous than last time.
Yeah, and that's pretty good. And that's actually not a very high standard, considering that last time was pretty disastrous.
Okay. Oh, it's heavy.
I'm smoking it.
It's heavy. These are the ones that we killed last week. Sorry.
Maybe even this week.
No, they're open.
Oh. Come on, guys. Get out. We need smoke these guys.
Honey dipping. See if we can get a few.
Looks like there is propolis over here. It's pretty good, Overall, in general, this is pretty good. Kind of wonky comb over here, I must say.
These here. Okay, those drone brood on the other side there.
Yeah, and honey. So we did a check for.
Brim's coming apart. I didn't bring the stapler. I'll go get it. Just set it down. There's nothing on here anymore.
There's nothing really on for it. Yeah, I'm smoking them. And I'm putting this one back in. So it fills up the gap, really. So, you know what I might do? I might do a wax method here. Let me try. Come on, guys, get out. Let's keep moving. Okay. What have we got here? Well, now this is an interesting sign. I'm seeing more eggs and larvae over here. Same on the other side.
I don't like the stapler.
Well, it's going back in. It's really going back in. And now let's go to the next one.
I gotta go and get staples. I can't get the staple part.
Well, you go do your stuff, I'm fine. There's no need to panic. So, I'm gonna check out frame number 9 on this. They seem to have had some stuff. Some more honey, and they're building comb. That's pretty good. And we got a bit of a heat sea over here. Have to do here. So, planter is successful. Something to do. There we go. Any more larvae? Any more brood? Oh, there is some more stuff. Obviously a broken frame as well. Still can't find the queen, you know. It's kind of a interesting thing, you know. There's more bees, so that might probably be the bigger part of the problem here. This is back. Looks like more bee bread. Looks like more cab brood. Quite a bit more cab brood. More bees going to be coming out soon.
I need to get this frame in.
Don't, because we still need some space so I can move my stuff, obviously.
This frame's not stapled.
We're going to throw this in, girl.
I did now. Oh, they don't like that.
Well, it's like, you know, thunder or something.
Probably.
Well, we'll leave it, it's fine. I can't do nothing really with it.
Okay.
Okay, moving on.
I'll take it.
Thank you. Okay, this way.
We've got a lot more bees.
Yeah, and they seem to... Oh, this one's coming apart. Can you staple it? It's on this side. I'll do it.
Things,
Here, give me.
the end's coming off. See, because it's all jammed with propolis. Jammed with honey. Hang on. Okay.
Thanks.
We got it.
Well, at least we tried, you know.
We got it. Doesn't like when it's not straight.
Ooh. We still did it. Leave them there. Yeah.
Here, get this side loose.
I can't. This side?
Get this side loose.
Yeah, I've got it loose.
Okay.
I'll try picking it up. It's pretty difficult. Looks like more brood on that one. Well, I'm going to be moving on what I've got over here. Stopping. Yes, they are.
Wrap this up as quick as I can.
I've got the smoker cooking, as you can see. Moving on. I guess this one kind of was broken for kind of a while.
Okay, I'll put this ring back in.
Yeah, do that. More eggs. Is there the queen here? No. Let's see.
It still isn't good, but it's better. Okay, do I need to staple it?
No, you can't.
Okay.
Smoke them. The smoke from the pine ain't that good either. Smell-wise, it smells like sweat. There's plenty of bees here, and let's say
Queen cell over here. That's not a queen cell. Okay, that's good.
nothing over here really. Just a bunch of bees. And what's on here? Continue smoking.
Oh yeah. There. Okay, go ahead. Okay, get this side here. You get it. You're winning. Careful not to pull it up.
Looks like the queen still hasn't been there, so she might be there soon. But it sure seems like there's a lot of bees. I'm putting it back in. Did you fix that frame over there?
Yeah.
Put it back in. I'll take it. It sure is.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's done.
Yeah.
Brush them up a little bit.
I don't have the brush, I have the smoker.
Okay. Okay. Great. Super? Yes or no?
Yes. Put the super back on.
Cover.
Yep.
And
Come on, guys. The smoker's really not very good.
need different fuel.
That is true. So, you know, you got the super on a little bit weird. Oh, it's back on the good way. So, yeah, I guess we're done for today, I guess.
Well, we want to put this on as a heat shield.
You know, possibly, yeah, probably.
Burns does it.
Well, I think this is the end of the video for now. And, so, like, subscribe, and most importantly, comment. It really helps the comments, especially. Come on.
I'm saying no.
No. No need. Okay. So, the end of the video. Bye.